Hey guys, welcome to our video. I'm going to do a quick inspection on a part. My name is Matt Wilson. I'm with QTE Manufacturing. I do all the Verisurf stuff here, training, support, and demos. So we're going to check a little quick check on this Verisurf part, just kind of showing that we can use Verisurf to do quick checks on. I'm going to do a surface check on the top right here. Sometimes you have a part in a machine, you got to do a quick check and all you have is CMMs. I'm using the Equator here for my demo. So I'm going to go in here. First thing I'm going to do is check that my alignment matches the Equator over here, and I got my X and my Y matching just like it is on the machine. I'm going to go in. You can come a little bit closer if you want. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to create a probe. I'm going to go in here and add a couple alignments. My first alignment is going to be my single point alignment. So I want to make sure I have start device from base on. That makes sure it clears the previous. This one, I don't want to have my start from base because I want to use the previous alignment for my single point. So I'm going to go in here and create a target right here. Okay, I can see it's automated. So I'm going to turn this to manual. Okay, escape out of here. I'm going to do my alignment here. I'm going to do 1 point here, here. A couple points across the front to lock me in. 1 point on the side. Escape out of there. I am going to do a grid across here. I'm going to flip my path going sideways. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and press OK. I'm doing a scan. This is all ready to go now. So I'm just going to go over here and press play. OK. It's going to have me take my single point here. Make sure I have my speed up. So it's going to have me run over here and take my single point. Go a little bit slower once I get close. Okay, that's good. I'm going to press enter. Now it's going to do my automated alignment. I always do a single point alignment because it's just a little bit quicker as long as we can orientate the part. And then I use the machine to do the rest of the work for me. This way, if it's a part you're doing multiple of, you can just walk away by just taking a single point and not have to worry too much. So it's taking all my shots to lock in my surface. We can call this datum A. And then I'm going to hit the front. We're going to call that datum B. Lock in my X. And then I'm going to take one shot on the left to kind of lock us in the rest of the way. So this is orientating my Y, and then I'm going to hit on the left, and it's going to lock the X. Okay, so my alignment's done. Press enter. Now it's going to run over, and it's going to take my surface shots. Okay, now we're all done. We could just do a report real quick. Here's our report. Here's our targets. Here's all of our surface shots. If we wanted to show them, we don't have to. And then that's it. We're all done. If we wanted to add a screenshot, super simple. We can just double click here, open up the report manager, click a screenshot. Let's say we want this. We don't want the path to show. We just want this. Press enter. Now we got our screenshot. We can report this out. Now we got all of our surface shots. They're all green, and here's a little picture. So I hope that kind of shows you that we really can do quick things with Verisurf. It's not always, everything's not always hard. If you want to do quick checks using your CMM or ARM, it's a real quick process with Verisurf to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see anything else, go ahead and just shoot us an email, support@qtemfg.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.